Hi everybody, welcome to our last week of class, and it's a short week. So this week you guys are going to be looking at our teacher evaluation system in North Carolina, and please complete the North Carolina Accountability Scavenger Hunt. So for the teacher evaluation system, there's a manual that you should have a look over. There's a wiki, and there's also a presentation that is from a class presentation and discussion that Sean Clemens, the Director of Accountability for Hickory City Schools, had with one of Dr. McGee's classes a couple years back. Most of the information should be pretty up to date and relevant, and the students that were there had good questions. So it is pretty lengthy, but it's good information and it's a good presentation. So check that out. Do complete the accountability scavenger hunt activity, as that is what is it called? That is part of your grade this week. And then last but not least, don't forget to submit your ASL to TK20, and remember that even if you did work with a partner on that assignment, you're going to want to submit your own PDF or link to that, and that is going to be due at the end of the day on Tuesday. So my grades are due on Thursday. If you are needing a couple of hours of leeway, just please let me know in advance. Don't wait until the time that is due, so that I know when to expect your project. If you can get it in on Tuesday, that's great. If you need a few hours, please let me know. I don't want you to stay up all night. So thanks for all of your work throughout the semester. I hope that I see some of you in the fall, or any of you or all of you in the fall. And if you do need any help with the ASL, I'll be having office hours on Zoom tomorrow, and I'll send you a link for that. Okay, thanks, bye.